Hey friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a APK for your project. So you just have to run this command flutter build APK. So it will create a APK for your project, so you can run that on the any Android device. As you see, the APK is ready. So now I will go to my build app. Here is the path output flutter APK, and here you will see this app release. It's the latest APK. So if I open this in Finder, so it's the APK app dot release. So you can change that to build at the rate 27 May. Or if you want to open this from terminal, then you have to go open, as you see. So please like and subscribe my channel. I will upload the more videos.